it's your girl back again, and karibuni sana to my channel. And we always thank God for this amazing day. And it's so good, by the way, you guys. If you don't thank God when you see another day, that's very wrong. You should always learn to say thank you, God, for another day, because it's not like we're so righteous, but we've got tumegetia grace ya God kuweza kuona another day, and it's really so good. It feels amazing. And leo, just as the topic says, it's about, we're going to be sharing our embarrassing moments. And for me, niko na mambo na, like, the embarrassments that I've gone through, for real, caused by none other than our favorite meal, beans, mbosho. Mbosho, see jokes. Let me tell you something. But I have a story to tell you. Vitu nimepitia na hizi mbosho. Ikiwa kwa githeri, ikiwa mbosho mchele. In our language kuna mchele mix na mbosho, we call it ndakwe. Yes, ndakwe. So as in ilifika point mpaka nikaacha kukula beans, like completely. I was like, kana kula beans and then maybe I'm going somewhere very important or very official, uko tu na zile fears za kukua embarrassed. So first of all, I want to give you tips on how to reduce that gas that comes along with the beans. Watu wengi unaweza pata wanaacha kukula beans, they are afraid of eating beans just because they are afraid of the gas. You know, so sometimes una feel tumbo imefura. Let me now tell you something. Nikiwa high school, I was in this a very amazing school, but diet jo. Most of our meals, like almost 90% ilikuwa na beans, not even 90, I think 100%, because our diet ilikuwa mchele, beans or githeri. And githeri tulikuwa tunakula lunch zote. Just imagine that. Lunch zote ni githeri. So ukipata opportunity ya kuchange ni unachange na mchele, na ni mchele beans. So ilikuwa inafika time maybe mko preps, kumenyamaza, ama maybe saa ya exam, unajua ile tension and all that, unasikia tu it's so embarrassing when like kila mtu ana turn kuangalia ni nani, ni tumbo ya nani huyo, you know. Na sikupenda kwako ni gas, and then make it worse ukikazia kupass out gas, like kushuta. Najua me experience that. If at all you eat beans, and I know most of us eat beans because it's commonly found, it's available, it's affordable, and it's so sweet, by the way. And let me tell you first thing, beans are a very good source of plant protein, so don't avoid. And that's why today's video, it's about tips on how to reduce. And tip number 1, when you're preparing your beans, let's say unajua kesho ndo utakula beans, prepare it earlier. Make sure, like ka leo, buy your beans, wash them nicely, then soak them with clean water. And kama if possible, even before ndo ulale, you can change that water. Uta notice already may change color. For the beans that are red in color, utapata maji may change, imekuwa reddish. That means your acid in it inatoka. So mwage your maji, clean your beans again, then soak them with another clean water. Leave it now overnight, ilale. Then tomorrow in the morning, wake up, chukua beans zako, weka as in zioshe tena, juu utapata ziko, the water has turned. So zioshe, mwage maji, osha, put clean water, then boil your beans. Another second tip is, kama maybe you're not able to soak them overnight, maybe umepata wageni unataka kurush kuwapikia lunch beans, you can always buy your beans, clean them nicely, and then ukiboil, get fresh carrots. Unaweza buy fresh carrots kama uko na shamba, pick those fresh carrots, big in size kama unaweza pata, but any size, whichever size that you can get. Wash them very well and don't peel them. Don't peel, just wash them thoroughly and then ziweke iboil na ile beans. Then after imeboil, when your beans are already cooked, take them out and dispose them, throw them, because already zime absorb your acid in the beans, from the beans. So unazichukua unazidispose. Now after that, now you can go ahead and cook your beans. There are very many people, najua maybe kuna ka occasion, ama maybe umeitwa interview. Ebu just get that scenario. Umeitwa interview, uko mbele hiyo panel, umevaa, you know, that kasuti yako na katai, you pretty dress, you're looking amazing. Of course, you've already prepared, you have all the points in your head, and then kuna ile ka moment tu unapatanga in one or another kutanyamaza, unasikia tu we tumbo na kwamba inaweza fanya watu maneno. So the but uki follow hizo tips zenye nimekuonyesha, avoid kukula mbosho ati jukesho kuna interview ama jukesho sijui utaki. If you follow those tips, it is something that has worked for me and even for people who have already shared the idea with. So go try those tips. And another thing, this is just a secret and also a tip. Many people don't know. Ukichemsha githeri yako, ukiboil ama beans zako, many people, you go ahead unakaranga na hiyo maji yenye umechemsha nayo. That's where you go wrong. Ukishachemsha, take time, toa hiyo maji, rinse your beans with clean water. You already cooked beans with clean water. Then now, unaweza karanga. Cause already umeclear hiyo acidity. Juu ikiendelea pia kuboil, you toa hiyo acid in the beans. So, usiku na pika ama unakaranga na hiyo maji. Alafu another thing also, unaweza pata unajiuliza mbona na karanga, maybe umepika food mob and unataka ibaki mpaka kesho mkule lunch or supper na haikai because unaistore na hiyo maji. Ukishaosha, you rinse it out. Trust me, na uiache iko tu dry. Don't put salt, just let it dry hivyo. Trust me, hiyo beans hata kesho yake usiku utaikula vizuri sana, itakuwa imeharibika. So those are your tips from your girl. Go try it. Usikuwe embarrassed. There's a point, by the way. Sorry. There's a point ilifika niliachana na beans. I was like, no, mi siwezi kula beans. And for those who maybe have ulcers or heartburn ukikula beans, go try that idea. Go try that tip. And trust me, you will thank me later. Because it is something, hata mi ilikuwa inani affect, nilikuwa napata heartburn, so nikachana na beans completely. But when I realized that secret, that's what I do. And trust me, beans, favorite dish. Yes, nikipika chapo, to beans, tumbosho, lazima tukue hapo. So guys, if you've not subscribed, kindly support my videos. Subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. Turn on the notification bell so that I can give you more and more tips. You can be able to see more and more of my contents when I upload them. And also you can always give my videos a thumbs up. Yes. And also share these video with your friends, with your family, so that they can also get to know tips za kuremove hiyo gas ya mbosho. Watu huitanga mandondo. Ni mandondo kweli? For me, I call it madodo. Yes, madodo. So, I think I'll just stick with madodo. Give it a thumbs up. Till next time, guys. Thank you so much. Bye.